Assalamu alaikum KG2. I am Bushra Janjua, your English teacher, and today we will write parts of body. So look around you. Everything around you has a name, right? Now look at your body. It has different parts. What do we call them? Look at these pictures now. What is there in this picture? Yes, lip. Let's spell and write L I P, lip. L I P, lip. Now look at the next picture. What is this? Ear. Yes, it is an ear. Let's spell and write E A R, ear. E A R, ear. Next picture is showing a leg. Can you spell it? Okay, tell me what to write. Yes, L E G, leg. L E G, leg. Now there is an I in the next picture. Spell it after me. E Y E, I. E Y E, I. What is there in the last picture? You are right. It's an arm. Let's spell it together. A R M, arm. A R M, arm. Very good. You have done very well. Now list the names of parts. Now it's time of homework. Now, homework is it that list the names of parts of body on a page of your notebook and mail it to me. Keep in mind that words written in a list begin with small letters. Okay? Allah Hafiz.